Salam everyone, welcome to another video in this series where I teach you how to understand Quranic Arabic in an easy way. If you're new to the channel, I would recommend checking out the Stage 1 playlist and watching at least up to Lesson 5 to understand the basics before you join us on this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I hope you're finding these very useful. If you'd like to support this channel, please like this video and leave a comment so that the YouTube algorithm knows that these videos are benefiting people, and so it will share it with more people, so you will play a role in spreading these videos and benefiting others, inshallah. So jazakallah khair and keep watching. Cool, we are mashallah on the 33rd verse already of Surah Yaseen. So it's better than your one on the list today. So
وآية, and one sign, لهم, for them, الأرض, on the earth, الميت. So it's like on the like أحييناها.
Maut,
the death. So one sign is death.
Al-Ard.
The earth.
No. So
like so.
The Ard.
Oh, when the earth or not or when the when the earth gets death.
Exactly. So what? Yeah. So al-ardul mayta, like it combines,
yeah.
right? So then the mayta is for the word before it.
Yeah. أحييناها. Is it a question here?
No. So alif was for I.
Yeah.
And also, so let me break this for you. أحييناها. Okay, so the noon here is also a we or a me first person, and this is also first person. And then the hayy is to give life.
Yeah.
Or like yuhyi, you know? And then ha is it or her. So we give it life, or we give it life. As in the earth.
We give it life. Okay.
When it's
death. When it's death. Yeah. Okay.
It like the soil and the plants, etc.
Okay. وأخرجنا, and we bring it forth. I mean, like no, and we bring forth from it حبة فمنها حبة.
We might not have done this, but it's in the 30th juz. It means grains. Habba wa nabata, something. Wajannatin alfafa. Hiba, you might remember. I think it's Surah Naba, is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So grains. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so from it grains, فمنها, from it. Yeah, and from it eat.
Kulun.
They eat. And from it they eat. Yeah.
So does the whole thing make sense?
I guess, yeah.
So
yeah.
One sign for them of like God's existence, or just a sign from God, etc., is that the earth that is dead, and we give it life, and we bring forth from it grain, and then from it فَمِنْهُ يَأْكُلُونَ. Yeah. Makes sense?
Yeah.
Cool. Hiba, you're next.
وجعلنا فيها جنات من نخيل وأعناب وفجرنا فيها من العيون. So وجعلنا, and we created فيها in it جنات and gardens. من نخيل, nakhil is date palm tree. من نخيل وأعناب, عنب is grapes. وفجرنا Fajr is
Fajr. Think about Fajr.
Like, so daybreak. So it's the opening, or like the
coming
something.
Yeah. So maybe read the next words that you might give me.
وفجرنا فيها from it من العيون. Ain is a spring of water. So like and we made and it came forth.
Yeah, like burst out or gush.
Can't speak. Yeah.
فجرنا فيها.
Springs of water gushed forth from it.
Yeah. It would be hard to translate like what the fiha is for. فجرنا فيها in it. Okay, fiha. We gushed forth in it from water is basically word to word. But yeah, you got the whole meaning, which is good. Okay, Awa, your turn.
Awa, you're on mute, by the way.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. ليأكلوا من ثمره وما عملت أيديهم أفلا يشكرون. ليأكلوا so that you may eat.
They.
Oh yeah, they.
Otherwise, it would be kulu.
Oh, true. So that they eat from its fruits. وما عملته, basically, so they eat from its fruits of what their hands did not make. عمل, actually. عمل. Yeah, like what their hands did not make.
Yeah.
أفلا يشكرون, so will they not be grateful?
Yeah, so this ayah is really interesting. So people mention it in the tafsir that this ma, remember how ma could mean both no and what? So this verse actually has a double meaning depending on how you take the ma. One way it could mean so that they eat from its fruit and their hands did not make it. Or it could mean so they eat from the fruits and what their hands make. So, because we make some food as well, right? So, and both of these are, and then afala yashkurun, would they not give thanks? So it's pretty cool. Like it can have both meanings, and both of them are valid. Okay, Berivan, your turn.
الذي خلق الأزواج. Okay, Subhana, exalted is the one who created the azwaj. Wait, spouse?
Not
Pairs?
only spouse, yeah, pairs.
Pairs? Okay.
Yeah.
Pairs, kullaha, of everything.
Yeah.
Mimma, from what? Tambutu. Wait. Tambutu, from what was made? What on the earth, made on the earth? No,
Yeah.
wait.
Or what is grown on the earth, or what is made in the earth.
Produced, made. Yeah. Okay. وَمِنْ أَنفُسِهِمْ nafs, and from their selves.
Yeah.
And from what? وَمِمَّا لَا يَعْلَمُونَ. لَا يَعْلَمُ. And they don't know, like, like from what, from this they know, and they don't know this or think about it.
No, and from what they don't know.
Okay. Okay.
Basically means okay, 10 points for trying. So means it means glory be to God who created pairs of everything that is produced in the earth and also from amongst themselves and from what they don't know. So there's other stuff he has created that we still don't know of.
Okay.
And those are also in pairs. Make sense?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. You know, Mimma Tumbitu, that's from the same word as Nabata, right?
Yeah. Produce review. Good. Awa, your turn.
Me next, I think.
Sorry? Sorry.
Me next and now after, yeah. وآية لهم الليل نسلخ منه النهار فإذا هم مظلمون. So وآية لهم, and the sign for them, الليل, the night. نسلخ منه نسلخ noon, the we.
What?
In naslahu is the noon, we.
Yeah.
I don't know what salakha what the verb is.
It's okay. We'll try and guess.
منه النهار فإذا هم مظلمون. فإذا هم is like, and they are.
And then they are.
So I know that the meme is like when you're talking about a group of people, and then is it from zalim as well?
Muslim. No, but I don't know why it's what word this is, because it's translated as darkness. Muslim.
Oh, like volumat, right?
Zulumat. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, that's darknesses. So that's
wait. Sorry, did you say dhulumat is darknesses?
Yeah. So Muslimun is then that they are in darkness, covered
in darkness.
Yeah.
So the sign for them is the night. But then what was naslahu?
So minhu nahar, from it the day. So it's a nice way of saying. So sign for them is the night. We remove from it the day, and then they are in darkness.
Okay.
Or nahar is like daylight, so we remove from it daylight. Nasluhu is that. And I guess the root word salakha. I think it's used in other places, but not very commonly. And I don't know, so in Urdu, salakh is like a sword kind of thing. So maybe it's like removed or chopped off the day. Okay, that's not nice.
But there's something I don't understand. Like the Muslimun is from the same root of zulm?
So no, it's dhulumat, which is a word meaning darkness.
Yeah, but there's no.
But the root word in dhulumat is zalama, and I think it's probably the same root word as zulm, which is injustice. And I guess like there is a parallel between injustice and just dark times and darknesses, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So as in it has both meanings.
Okay, so it has both meanings.
Yeah.
Okay. That was it.
That's it for lesson 7. I hope that was really useful and well done, and be proud of yourself for coming this far. Mashallah, we've covered so much of Surah Yaseen and we're going at an incredible speed. So keep revising in your own time and keep watching these videos. Assalamu alaikum.